Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two mini drones, the DEERC D20 mini drone and the mini drone. Both of these drones offer impressive features and are perfect for beginners and kids. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one is the best fit for you. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, having a good camera is essential. Let's see how these two drones stack up in terms of camera capabilities. Now, let's talk about the flight performance of these mini drones. How easy are they to control, and do they offer any additional features? Safety is a crucial aspect when it comes to flying drones, especially for beginners and kids. Let's see how these mini drones prioritize safety and their battery life. The DEERC D20 mini drone is praised for its easy control, entertaining flips, and impressive features. It is compact, portable, and includes removable prop guards. On the other hand, the mini drone is appreciated for its small size, durability, and easy-to-control flying experience. Both drones have their strengths, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Remember, always do thorough research and read customer reviews to make an informed purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.